Hi, this is Sharon Osborne here to, audition you for the X-Factor. Do you think you have this X-Factor?
Yeah, I do. And I think I'm the best singer in the world. No one is better than me. No one. Yeah. Right, well, I'm going to sing for you my very own song. It's a mixture of songs it is. Anyway, I'm going to start now.
Okay, then.
I went down, down to the burning rings of fire. I went down, down, way higher. Yeah. Bonfire, bonfire night. 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 I'd suggest you stop this audition right now before you get embarrassed on live TV, you pitiful little man. Bonfire, bonfire night, security! Bonfire, bonfire night, security! Get this crazy man who smells like the hell out of here! Bonfire, bonfire night, you can't take me away! No! I live for the bonfire song!
Sorry, ladies and gentlemen. This crazy individual has been taken away.
Bonfire! No! He's back! To sing a song again! Me, I'm taking over the TV! Bonfire! Bonfire night! Bonfire! Bonfire night! Bonfire! Bonfire night! I'm done, brother! I'm done! See you later! I got to the house. I'm gone, homie!